Hello everyone, welcome to Tech It Simple, where we make solutions simple. If you are looking to sell any item you own and make some money from it, then Craigslist is a great platform to post your ads on. You can attract a lot of potential buyers to Craigslist just by providing some necessary information online. Sell a lot of stuff that you own, ranging from small objects like phones or cosmetics to large objects like vehicles. Remember, there are also some things you cannot sell on Craigslist like lottery tickets, weapons, etc. So let's begin with the video. Now, once you're inside the Craigslist homepage, then go to Post an Ad. Here you have options for sale by owner and sale by dealer. I'm selling my object as an owner, so I'll select for sale by owner. Now, the item I'm going to sell today as an example is an electronics, so I'll click on electronics. Now, simply enter all the details here. You'll have to enter your posting title, price of the item, the city or neighborhood, your zip code, and a description for the item. Apart from that, there are further details which you have to enter. Since I have saved all this information in my notepad already, I will just copy and paste this information here. The more detailed the description, it's better for others to decide whether they want to buy it or not. Now, going to the posting details, I'll have to enter some more information about the manufacturer, the condition, model number, dimension, and then if you want cryptocurrency, then you can select this option, otherwise, you can just leave it open. The next is if you're providing delivery, you can select this one. You can enter your phone number for others to contact you, and if it's okay to call you on your phone, you can select this one, or for text and SMS, you can select this one. But for now, I'm going to deselect all these options and then go to Continue. Now, the final step is to add images, and once you're done with the images, you can go and click Done with Images. After you complete all these steps, a draft of your ad is shown to you. You can either decide to publish it or edit the post again. Since I've checked all the details already, I will go and publish it. So, this is how you can post an ad to sell your items on Craigslist. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found the content informative, then do like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.